Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another electrifying episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions so you don't end up regretting your life choices. Today, we've got a heavyweight showdown between two robo-cleaners that promise to turn your messy home into a sparkling paradise. On the left, we have the Shark AV2501S Ultra Robot Vacuum, and, on the right, the Tikom L9000 Robot Vacuum. It's the battle of the suckers, literally. First up, let's talk about the moolah. Shark here will set you back $549. Yep, that's more than my entire college fund. Meanwhile, Tikom is a cool $249, almost like it's on a permanent Black Friday sale. So if you're looking to save some green, Tikom might just be your new best friend. Next, we have suction power. Shark claims incredible suction that picks up dirt and debris on all floor types. Tikom, not to be outdone, boasts a whopping 4,000 pascals strong suction. That's like having a mini tornado in your living room. So whether you're dealing with crumbs, cat hair, or the occasional Lego piece, both of these vacuums are ready to suck your problems away. But Tikom might just suck a little harder. Wait, that sounded wrong. Navigation and mapping. It's like the GPS for vacuums. Shark's got 360 degrees LiDAR vision and matrix clean navigation, ensuring no spots are missed. It's like having a robot butler with OCD. Tikom also has 360 degrees LiDAR navigation and can save up to 5 maps, perfect for those with multi-story mansions. And no, saving maps won't save you from getting lost in your own home. Now, let's talk about the dirty work, emptying the bin. Shark empties itself into a bagless base that holds up to 30 days of dirt. It's like having a magical dirt-dumping fairy. Tikom, on the other hand, comes with a 300 megaliters dustbin and a 250 megaliters water tank for mopping. So Shark wins this round for those who hate dealing with dirt as much as dealing with their ex. Pet owners, rejoice! Shark promises to be perfect for homes with pets, thanks to its self-cleaning brush roll and HEPA filtration system. Tikom, meanwhile, has improved sensors to avoid obstacles and can set no-go zones for pet areas. Basically, Shark is the dog whisperer of vacuums, while Tikom is more like the cat that avoids drama. Battery life. Because nobody likes a quitter, Shark offers up to 120 minutes of runtime and has a recharge and resume feature. Tikom, however, outlasts with a whopping 150 minutes in quiet mode. So if you want a vacuum that doesn't need a nap halfway through, Tikom's your guy. Finally, smart features. Both Shark and Tikom can be controlled via apps and are compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. So you can literally boss them around from your couch. Tikom takes it a step further with customizable cleaning modes and virtual walls. It's like having a personal cleaning assistant that actually listens to you, unlike my kids. Reviewers love the Shark AV2501S Ultra for its high performance, especially with pet hair and small debris, and its excellent LiDAR mapping capabilities. However, some noted minor issues with suction and deep cleaning. On the other hand, the Tikom L9000 is praised for its easy setup, powerful suction, efficient navigation, and mopping feature. It's considered a phenomenal value for its price, although the water tank size and dustbin capacity received some criticism. So there you have it, folks. Whether you go for the high-end Shark with its self-emptying magic and pet-friendly features, or the budget-friendly Tikom with its strong suction and longer battery life, both are ready to make your life a whole lot easier. Drop a comment below on which one you'd pick and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another smart buy. Until next time, keep buying smart. Product links are in the description.